Hello everyone! Welcome to Math Tutorial by Teacher Con. Today, we will practice solving real-life addition word problems with whole numbers. Okay, let's begin. So problem number 1, at the library. Story, we have Mia read 45 pages of a book on Monday and 38 pages on Tuesday. How many pages did she read in total? So the solution, step number 1, add the number of pages read each day. So we have 45 plus 38. Now, let's add 5 plus 8. We have 13. So we're going to write 3 in a one place and then carry over 1. Next, 4 plus 3. The answer is 7 plus 1 equals 8. So the final answer is 83. Mia read 83 pages in total. So we have Mia read 83 pages in total. Okay? Problem number 2. School picnic. There were 126 boys and 118 girls who attended a school picnic. How many students attended the picnic? Solution. Add the number of boys and girls. So we have 126 boys and we have 118 girls. Let's add 6 plus 8, 14. So we're going to write 4. Then carry over 1. Then add the tens place. 2 plus 1, 3. Then add plus 1, 4. Then add the hundreds place. So we have 1 plus 1. The answer is 2. So a total of 244 students attended the picnic. Okay, for number 3, let's answer. We have grocery shopping. A mother bought 3 bags of rice weighing 12 kilogram, 15 kilogram, and 18 kilogram. What is the total weight of the rice? So the solution, step number 1, add all the weights together. Okay, we have 12 plus 15 plus 18. Then add 2 plus 5, 7 plus 8, 15. Carry over 1, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3, plus 1, 4. So the total weight of the rice is 45 kilograms. So the final answer, the total weight of the rice is 45 kilograms. And for the last, we have problem number 4, concert tickets. John sold 238 tickets in the morning and 167 tickets in the afternoon. How many tickets did he sell in total? Solution. Oh wait, it's your turn to answer this problem. Okay, well done. This example shows how we use addition to solve real problems around us, from reading books to selling tickets. Remember, read the problem carefully, find the numbers, and add them step by step. Thank you for watching. Bye!